So this week I don't have a drive video. My beast had some engine trouble and I thought I'd repair it myself. I'll also make a really cool video out of it. That'll be great. At least that was the plan.
Just watch that one. See in there? It's coming out all over. It's coming on strong. It's depressing. To the belly of the beast. First things first, lights out. And with that out of the way, next we're gonna take radiator. Alright, so you could probably tell by now, I've done this before.
That one line would come back to haunt me. Pride goes before destruction, and a haughty spirit before a fall. Better to be of a humble spirit with the lowly, than to divide the spoil with the proud. My test drive ended with me being pulled back home.
It's my beast. Alright, so here's the mistake that costed us a couple $100. That looks about right. Fair. Except for hair, and hair, and hair, and hair. And most importantly, hair, which feeds the top of the engine with all the oil it needs. Completely blocked off. But that's not the worst part. What's the worst part? Most embarrassing part. Look at that.
Needless to say, the next morning started with a prayer, as I started to fit it back all together again. The correct way this time.
Into the heart of the beast.
Ah, yes. And now for a song that I miss so much. Oh, yes, 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 yes. She's back. Oh, yeah, she's back. It's 3 days since I pulled her home and it's still raining. But she's back. Thank God for my beast. I don't know if this would be the end of this video, if I ever do this video. But if it is, as usual, God bless. Take care. Stay humble.